going on, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers? I hope everyone's having fun during this Kobe build-off. But we are back. We are doing more work today. I'm going to drop the gas tank. I am going to drop a bunch of things. We're going to probably strip the interior. I'm waiting for Trappy to get here, rip the doors off. Remember, we're getting this car basically stripped to the point where the body shop is just sanding, bodywork, and paint. So that's our goal. And I have to call my boy Pitbull over here again and rip off some of the windshield and the quarter panel ones. But yeah, we're back, man. Sit back and enjoy the vlog, and let's start working. Keep gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Got it going, boys. Dropping that fuel and cleaning the floor at the same damn time. Loosened up some of the suspension in the rear already. And progression. I move some stuff around and keep kicking ass. But we got fuel coming out. And by the way, that's definitely going in the truck. Vámonos!
Got it?
Vámonos!
I got it. Heavy.
Yeah, it was very heavy. Whoa, where's a fat baby?
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh man, that's a heavy baby.
Okay.
You hanging it or you working?
Oh, it's working.
Oh, I thought you hanging it. Oh boy. Starting to work on the interior now. Gonna completely strip it out. Got 40 here with me. And man, this carpet's in great shape. We're keeping this. We're gonna wash it up. Probably dye it black. Thinking about doing the dashboard black too. Maybe like black and yellow inside. But this interior is in great condition.
Give me a flare, Haki.
Oh, I'm sorry. We got to put it in
That
neutral.
one off.
Yeah. Okay, that's out. That's out. Okay. Now we got our Phillips here, 40. Look.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting tired of this bit. I'm getting tired of this bit. What the hell was that? You heard that? You heard that? Yo!
I don't know. Maybe the marina.
That sounds crazy. Okay,
Watch it. Uh-huh.
okay. That's garbage.
That one?
Yeah.
Garbage?
Garbage, Papa. That's garbage.
That one no garbage.
That's garbage.
That's
Yeah,
garbage.
that's garbage. All right. Dale the 8. Boss Don 40 putting in some work. How it feel to be back? Yeah, hanging it. All day, hanging it.
No.
Yo, 40, what you call the virus? What's the virus called?
Driver?
Yeah, what is it called?
I don't know what.
Why the store closed across the street?
I don't know.
The COVID.
Oh, yeah?
What you call it?
Kobe?
This kid, he calls the virus
You
COVID.
want to take it that one, Haki? That's heavy.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Okay, bring it down.
Why you want to take it?
Gas tanks out, boys. Now, this is free game. We get to unbolt all this. We're not using any of this stuff right here. We're gonna replace all that. Replace the brake lines. So once the gas tank is out from under the car, it's pretty much It's much easier to get to these bolts and stuff. I had a little headache with this. Look at that. I busted it up, but I'll patch that back up. We'll be in good shape. I still got to cut the head off this one. But actually, this was the hardest 2 bolts on the entire car to remove. Real bad. But, man, I'm happy, man. I'm really happy. So we took out that whole line system that runs from under the car, which is basically the evap system. You got your fuel in return, and then you got your brake lines to the rear. So now I just cut it here because I didn't feel like undoing it from there. We're gonna do all new brake lines on here anyway. So under here is almost stripped. Rip off the back suspension, and we can start. But it's cleaning up pretty nice, man. Stripping out nice. So we pretty much stripped out the rear of the interior. Dropping the struts now. Man, these panels are in great shape. Every clip was on it, every screw. We took it off nice and neat. Someone will take it. I don't really need the suspension, so we're getting there, man. We're really just focusing on the bottom of the car because the inside it's like a whole nother animal. So we're gonna have to take a full day on the interior to take it out nice and neat and strip that dash out. Take all these clips off. Remember, we have to leave this basically naked to start getting sanded and getting ready for paint. But look, Sleepy Gunner's here.
Yo, sound deadening's coming off?
Yes, sir. Well, finally now we can get to that pesky 17. Take that junk off. Get that out. Get that out. Yeah. Yeah. Get it out of there. Get it out. Yeah. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, that's a beauty, that number 24. Look at this angle, boys. Look at this angle, boys. Look smart now, is he? Oh, he's working hard. Oh, is he working hard? You gonna work hard? Yeah, you gonna work hard? Oh, I cheer. Oh, all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. Let's get her done. Mission accomplished, boys. Trappy, mission accomplished.
Got it.
Relax. Took down the filler neck. We're completely stripped under here, boys. I think we're gonna end this video today. We got a lot of cleaning, man. If it's not clean, if it's not prepped right, that paint will not stick. We're also gonna have to. We got a spot where I'll remove this, Trappy.
Yeah.
We gotta get rid of that ugly ass thing. But wow, hard work, man. Every single day, all day. It's all gonna look beautiful. Okay, Gunners, I'll leave you with that. Thank you for your support. I hope you guys are enjoying this build. We are moving fast, even during a worldwide pandemic, man. We are just working. We're keeping our hands super clean. We're away from you. You see where Trappy is? I'm over here. Social distances, my man. I love you, but just stay away. With that being said, man, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of you, man. Till tomorrow. Keep gunning.